In the cafes of Soho, espresso was something you went out for. It was served across a counter, made by a barista, part of the rhythm of city life. But as Britain's love of espresso grew, something changed. People didn't just want espresso out, they wanted it at home. This is the story of how Gaggia helped move espresso from Soho cafes into British kitchens. By the 1960s and 70s, espresso culture was no longer new. People had tasted it, learned to love it, and wanted to recreate it for themselves. But good espresso wasn't easy. It required pressure, temperature, timing. Most home appliances couldn't deliver that. Gaggia believed the answer wasn't compromise, it was bringing cafe thinking into the home. In 1977, Gaggia introduced a machine that changed everything, the Gaggia Baby. Compact, purposeful, designed for real espresso. For the first time, authentic Italian espresso became achievable in ordinary homes. Not simplified, not diluted, but rooted in the same principles used in cafes. The baby didn't just make a coffee, it invited people to learn, to understand extraction, to experiment, to care about quality. This was the beginning of the home barista. As Gaggia machines entered British homes, a new relationship with coffee emerged. Morning routines changed, weekends slowed down. Coffee became something people made, not just consumed. These machines weren't disposable, they were kept, maintained, repaired. They became part of family life, often staying in kitchens for years, even decades. By 2022, Gaggia marked 45 years of home espresso machines, a milestone shaped by trust, longevity, and daily use. The Gaggia Baby opened the door. It proved that espresso belonged in the home, not as a shortcut, but as a craft. And it prepared the ground for a machine that would define the home espresso for generations. That story comes next. From Soho cafes to British homes, espresso became personal. In 1991, Gadget took everything learned from the baby and created a machine that would become the choice of the serious home barista.